how much should you actually spend on a dash cam? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Rove R2 4K Dual. The Rove R2 4K Dual caught my eye right away. Priced at $129.99, it's a bestseller with a whopping 4.5-star rating based on over 11,800 reviews. If you want to capture every little detail on the road, this is worth a serious look. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle in front and 140 degrees in the rear, you're getting expansive visibility. Plus, the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor means you get sharp footage even in low-light situations, which is critical if you're driving late at night. And let's not forget the built-in GPS that records speed and location, super handy if you ever need to prove something happened. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, this camera runs smoothly and reliably. It's a small hurdle for the massive peace of mind you get. This is perfect for you if you're a daily commuter or someone who values safety in every drive. Skip this one if you prefer something more user-friendly right out of the box, but for $129.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WLFBOX G840S. The WLFBOX G840S caught my attention with its sleek design and functionality. Also at $129.99, it has a 4.3-star rating with over 14,400 reviews. If you're looking for a smart mirror dash cam that doubles as a rear view, this is worth considering. The larger 12-inch display gives you a significant viewing area, which helps reduce blind spots, a huge plus for safety. It also features 8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick access to recorded footage and real-time GPS tracking. Having that data right on your dash cam can be a lifesaver if you ever need to recount an event. However, some users pointed out that the screen can catch reflections easily. I'll be real with you, this can be annoying, especially in direct sunlight. But the benefits of having a larger display often outweigh this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you enjoy having tech seamlessly integrated into your vehicle. Skip this one if you're sensitive to screen glare, but overall, it's a solid investment for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a comprehensive view. Product number 3, IIWEY N5. The IIWEY N5 is an interesting choice with its unique 360 degrees recording. Priced at $109.99, it has a strong 4.5-star rating from around 3,600 reviews. If you want full coverage of your vehicle, this is worth a look. This is crucial in the event of an accident since you'll have evidence from all angles. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for faster connections to your phone, making it easy to download and share footage. Plus, the included 128 GB SD card means you won't have to buy extra storage right away. On the downside, some users have reported that it doesn't come with GPS, which could be a deal-breaker for those who want speed and location data on their footage. But honestly, if you're looking for a broad perspective on your driving, it's a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you often have passengers or want a complete view of your surroundings. Skip this one if GPS tracking is a must-have for you, but at $109.99, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you find the lack of GPS concerning, the next product on the list has you covered. Product number 4, REDTIGER F17. The REDTIGER F17 is another strong contender, featuring triple-channel recording. Priced at $159.99, it boasts a 4.5-star rating from 2,600 reviews. If you're serious about car security, this one is definitely worth considering. This is huge for families or rideshare drivers who want to ensure every angle is covered. The upgraded 5G Wi-Fi means you can access videos quickly, and the built-in GPS adds that essential speed and location data. However, some users found the interface a bit cluttered. Here's the thing though, once you learn the features, it's powerful and can deliver excellent video quality, especially at night. This is perfect for you if you drive a lot at night or frequently transport passengers. Skip this one if you need something straightforward, but for $159.99, it provides a comprehensive solution for security. Lastly, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, AFIR 4K Dash Cam. The AFIR 4K Dash Cam rounds out our list with an impressive price point of just $71.99. It's rated 4.5 stars with around 1,600 reviews. If you're looking for great quality on a budget, this is definitely worth your attention. This dash cam offers 4K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear, giving you solid footage without breaking the bank. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for quick downloads, and it even comes with a 64 GB card right out of the box. You're getting a lot for a very reasonable price. Plus, the 24-hour parking monitor keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you're not there. That said, some users mentioned the installation could be a bit tricky. But honestly, at this price, a little extra effort is a small price to pay for solid security. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly dash cam that still delivers quality. Skip this one if you want high-end features, but for $71.99, you're getting a fantastic deal. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap this up. So there you have it. The Rove R2 4K Dual is amazing for clarity. The WLFBOX G840S excels in dual functionality. The IIWEY N5 covers all angles. The RED-TIGR F17 offers comprehensive protection, and the AFIR 4K is unbeatable for budget-conscious buyers. Whatever your needs are, there's a dash cam here that can fit them perfectly.